We understood that we had some inefficiencies in our shovel fleet. We invested in this 4100A shovel as a match to our 240-ton trucks. Why do we want a P&H shovel? I believe the 4100 shovel is just absolutely bulletproof. Having a team to come in and help us like the KEC team did was very beneficial. Just in casual conversation, we got into a discussion about, is there any used shovels, in the 4100 class? The team, from KEC took us very seriously and completed the job, on time, on budget. We got a really nice shovel out of this deal. It's quiet, it's smooth, it's everything the operators were looking for. And we're really looking forward to the future because I think it will pay off well as far as, just be a solid, reliable machine that we can count on.
I've been working at the mine for about 13 years now. The performance of the shovel, it's a lot smoother, a lot quieter. Our efficiency levels has skyrocketed since we've put this shovel into production.